Welcome to WritersER, where we help you navigate the intricate path of academic research. Today, we're unpacking a powerful approach in research design, mixed methods research. This methodology blends qualitative and quantitative techniques, offering a comprehensive perspective that can enhance your thesis or dissertation. Whether you're drafting a research proposal or collecting data, understanding how to effectively combine these approaches will provide deeper insight and strengthen your study. Mixed methods research is essentially about balance. It integrates the numerical depth of quantitative data with the rich contextual detail of qualitative data. By doing so, it allows researchers to explore broad questions from multiple angles, providing a more complete understanding than either method could offer alone. Would you consider using this method in your future studies? Let me know in the comments. The process usually starts by identifying your research question, which should be broad enough to benefit from both qualitative and quantitative insights. For example, a study on health behavior change might use surveys to quantify how many people change their behavior, quantitative, and interviews to explore why they changed or did not change, qualitative. There are several ways to structure a mixed method study, but the most common are the convergent, explanatory, and exploratory designs. In a convergent design, you collect both types of data simultaneously and integrate them during the analysis phase to build a comprehensive picture. An explanatory design involves collecting quantitative data first, then following up with qualitative research to delve deeper into those results. Conversely, an exploratory design starts with qualitative data to identify key themes and hypotheses, followed by quantitative research to test these findings on a larger scale. Choosing the right software is crucial for managing this complex data effectively. Tools like SPSS or R are perfect for analyzing quantitative data, while NVivo or Atlas.ti can help you handle qualitative data. Integrating these data sets can be challenging, but software like MaxQDA, which supports mixed methods research, can make the process smoother. To really master mixed methods research, it's beneficial to engage with the existing literature and perhaps even take specialized workshops or courses offered by your university or online platforms. These resources can provide valuable insights and practical skills for applying mixed methods in your own research. As we conclude today's discussion on mixed methods research, consider how blending these approaches might enhance your current or upcoming projects. What challenges do you anticipate in integrating qualitative and quantitative methods? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments to encourage a dialogue among fellow researchers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WritersER for more academic tools and tips. Your participation helps us continue to offer essential guidance to students embarking on their research journeys. Remember, employing mixed methods research is not just about combining two types of data. It's about creating a richer, more nuanced understanding of your research question. By embracing both qualitative and quantitative worlds, you can uncover insights that might otherwise remain hidden. Stay innovative, keep learning, and let's push the boundaries of research together.